record. Okay, now it's time to do some exercise, okay? And we continue. Okay, exercise. Each of the following sentences contains one or more past participles. Underline the subjects once and the verbs twice. Circle the past participles and label them as adjectives or verbs. Then indicate if the sentences are correct, C, or incorrect, I. So we have this, okay? This explanation. The money was offered by the client, was not accepted, okay? We find the subject here, money, okay? And the verb was is the verb, and we have another one, okay? Was and accepted, okay? We have two verbs, offered and accepted, okay? And the verb to be, okay? So, are you ready? Do you understand this one? What is the main reason why we use I as incorrect? We have double verbs. We only have only one, no more, okay? So that's the main reason it is incorrect. Okay, on the second one, the car listed in the advertisement had already stalled. What goes here? Okay, this is the subject, car, okay? Listed is the past participle, very good. And stalled will be our past participle like a verb, okay? And we have had the verb as verb, okay? So in this case, it is correct? Yes, because I found the subject, the adjective, okay? The past participle as adjective and as verb, and we have the verb here. So it is correct. Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, tell me, guys, it's time to work, okay? On number 3, I will read it and you answer, okay? The chapters were taught by the professor this morning will be on next week's exam. Tell me. What's happening here? It is correct, incorrect? Tell me, my friends. Come on. Try to practice. Don't be scared. Okay. We will see. Ready? Number 3. The chapters were taught by the professor this morning will be on next week's exam. Okay, what will be the subject? Tell me. Help me, my friends. The chapters, okay? And we have taught, okay? It will be a past participle as a verb, okay? Because we have the verb to be in past here, okay? And what else? We have will be, another verb, okay? So, what do you think? It is correct, incorrect? Tell me.
Incorrect?
That's right, Emilio. That's right. Well done. Okay. Now we go for the fourth one. Okay. The loaves of bread were baked in a brick oven at a low temperature for many hours. Okay. First, what will be the subject? Come on, I know you can do it. loaves of bread. It will be the subject, okay? And we find another past participle as verb, were baked, okay? And what will be the verb?
Bake.
Baked, that's right. So this is a correct or incorrect sentence.
I think it's correct. I don't know.
Yeah, that's right, Pao. That's right. It is correct. It was you, Pao? Yeah?
No, teacher.
Sorry, Alana. Sorry. Sorry. Now we continue with another one, okay? Number 5. The ports were reached by the sailors were under the control of a foreign nation. I listen to you. I listen to you, my friends. Try to participate.
It's incorrect.
Okay, Paul, why? If you want to tell us.
Because we already have a verb that is were rich,
Uh-huh.
and then we have another one that is were under. So we are missing the adjective.
Yes, very good. Nicely done, okay? Excellent. Now we move on for 6, okay? Guys, if you have questions, just tell me, okay? Just tell me. Number 6. Those suspected in the string of robberies were arrested by the police. I listen to you. It is correct, incorrect.
Incorrect.
Why incorrect?
The subject is
Is missing or? Because the subject will be those suspected. Okay? In the string of robberies, where arrested will be, the verb, okay? And the string of robberies will be adjectives or not? No, but it is correct. This sentence is correct. These suspected in the string of robberies were arrested by the police. In this case, this one is correct. Okay? Or do you have a question here?
no, teacher.
Nope, okay. On number 7, the pizza is served in this restaurant is the tastiest in the country. What do you think? What will be the situation here with this sentence? The pizza is served in this restaurant is the tastiest in the country.
Correct.
Correct? In this case, nope. Let me help you why, Paul. Okay? Check. The pizza is served. Okay? We have this one as a verb, okay? Past participle as a verb, okay? Because we have verb to be here. But now we have another verb here. We double the verb. The pizza is and is the tastiest, okay? That's why we have double verb and it is incorrect. Sometimes you may think, okay, about, hey, pizza is served in this restaurant, the tastiest in the country, okay? It is correct if we remove is, yeah. That's right, because we have double verb and we only have only one subject. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, number 8. The courses are listed on the second page of the brochure, have several prerequisites. What happened with this? Correct, incorrect?
Correct.
Correct? Why?
I think it's incorrect because have several is missing the verb.
Yeah, okay. This case, kind of, Paul. Let me explain you why. Okay, we have two verbs, okay? In this case, we have listed and have. We have two verbs, okay? And in this case, it will be like the courses are listed on the second page of the brochure with several prerequisites. You know, it is not necessary to mention have. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Number 9, all the tenants, were invited to the Independence Day barbecue at the apartment complex. Correct, incorrect?
Correct.
Correct. Excellent, because we have all the 10 tenants, okay, the subject, were invited, okay, verb, to the Independence Day barbecue at the apartment complex. It is correct, the complement, okay? That's right, very good. And number 10, any bills paid by the first of the month will be credited to your account by the next day.
Incorrect. Because have two verbs.
Okay, let me explain this part, Emilio. It could be, but okay, show me the two verbs. Show me.
Pays.
Which one?
Credited.
Okay, will be created, okay. And the other one?
Pays.
This one, paid.
Yes.
It is not a verb, okay? Okay, I know pay and paid are verbs, but if we don't have verb to be, it will be like an adjective, okay? any bills paid. Okay, it's like a, how can I say, the subject, bills paid. It will be the whole subject. We only have one verb, will be credited. You know? So in this case, it's correct. Okay, am I right?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, please. I will give you a few seconds to take a picture, okay, of these exercises. Why? Because you must practice skills number 1 to 5, okay? If you want to do it in a, you know, on your own, on your space at home, you can do it. Okay, if you want to check, take a picture, sorry, just do it. Tell me when you already take it.
Ready, teacher.
Ready, okay. And then we have this. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, now I give you more, or if you want. Just tell me one thing. If you want to do it with me, I will do it with you, this exercise. Or if you want to do it by your own, I will. Just tell me. You want to do it with me or by your own?
I think around it's okay.
By your own, okay? This one, you want to do it with me, or maybe I can help you with 2 or 3 of this.
It's the same topic?
Yeah, skills 1 to 5.
Okay, then help us with the 2 first, please.
So you will do it by yourself. Okay, take a picture of this.
Ready.
Now, continue with this. Ready?
Yes.
You have this 2.
Ready, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Maybe I will help you with, or maybe with 1, 2, or even 3 of this. Okay. Number 1, only for to help you. Okay. Number 1, the North Platte River blank from the Wyoming into Nebraska. Which is the best option?
Letter B.
Flows. Everyone is agree? Is everyone agree? Why you choose flows?
Because letter E is ending with ED and don't goes with the sentence. Flowing it neither has the
Okay, in this case, you say C. Yeah, flowing?
no letter B.
B, yeah, that's right, that's correct. The North Platte River flows because it is you know, a third person, and the verb goes with in plural, I mean. Okay? Very good. On the second one, Biloxi received its name from a Sioux word mean first people.
Letter A.
A, the city of. Is that right? What do you think, my friends? This option is the best? What do you think? No one wants to say something. Yes, Paul, you are right. The city of is the best option. Very good. Now we move on for the third one, okay? A pride of lions, blank, up to 40 lions, including one of the 3 males, several females, and cubs.
Letter A.
Letter A, can contain. Is that right, my friends? Yeah, that's right. Can contain up to 40 lions. That's right, very good. So you have something to do this weekend, okay? Working in these exercises, okay, to practice more skills, okay? So maybe we have the time to check this one, skill number 6, before we end the session. What do you think? You have the time?
Yes, teacher.
Yes? Okay, and then just wait. Before we continue, I have something to tell you. Okay, you will take the TOEFL test next Tuesday, okay? With teacher Maria Jose at, I guess, 11:30 a.m., I guess. You have a class with her, yeah? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, if you want, because she told me yesterday, if you want to, how can I say, to talk with your teacher, on the class after, before her class, please talk with him or with her. Hey, please, teacher, I need the time to take my food, and then give me 10 minutes before it ends, because I have to eat. And then with teacher Maria Jose, you will have the TOEFL test, okay? On Aula de Cómputo, okay? Yeah, at Aula de Cómputo, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Please tell everyone. It doesn't matter if you study before or not. It doesn't matter, because remember, we only need your score just to check how you will increase your score after you take this course. Okay?
So it will be online?
No. It will be at Aula de Cómputo. It's not online. It's there is an application on the computer. Okay?
Yes.
It is not online, like, it will be on the computer, but not online. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Please help me telling everyone, okay?
Okay.
If you have some questions, please send me a message, okay? We are on the group. Now we continue with this. Sentences with multiple clauses, okay? Many sentences in English have more than one clause. A clause is a group of words containing a subject and a verb. Whenever you find a sentence in the TOEFL test with more than one clause, you need to make sure that every subject has a verb and every verb has a subject. Next, you need to check that various clauses in the sentence are correctly joined. There are various ways to join clauses in English. Certain patterns appear frequently in English, and on the TOEFL test, you should be very familiar with these patterns, okay? In other words, I will do it in Spanish for you, just one time, okay? Puede haber, hay que recordar que ahí puede haber oraciones dentro de una vaya, no una conversación, sino un párrafo, y hay que checar que cada oración tenga su sujeto y su verbo. ¿Estamos de acuerdo? Y que sean unidas correctamente una oración con otra. ¿Ok? Now we go with skill number 6. Okay? Use coordinate connectors correctly. Okay? Someone who wants to read this part? Yes.
When you have two clauses in an English sentence, you must connect the two clauses correctly. One way to connect two clauses is to use and, but, or, so, or yet between the clauses. Tom is singing and Paul is dancing. Tom is tall, but Paul is short. Tom must write the letter or Paul will do it. Tom told a joke, so Paul laughed. Tom is tired, yet he's not going to sleep. In each of these examples, there are two clauses that are correctly joined with a coordinate conjunction, and, but, or, so, or yet, and a comma. The following examples show how this sentence pattern could be tested in structured questions on the TOEFL test.
Good, good. Okay. We have this. A power failure occurred. Blank. The lamps went out. And we have these connectors. A, then, B, so, C, later, D, next.
Letter B.
Letter B, so. Okay, let's find out, my friend, okay? If you want to read it, go ahead. Emilio, if you want to read it.
Yes, teacher, yes. Sorry.
Excellent, no problem.
In this example, you should notice quietly that there are two clauses. A power failure occurred and the lamps went out. This sentence needs a connector to join the two clauses. Then, later, and next are not connectors. So answers A, C, and D are not correct. The best answer is answer B, because so can connect two clauses. The following chart lists the coordinate connectors and the sentence pattern used with them.
Very good. If you want to, okay, if you want to read this one, or I can help you if you wish, my friend.
Okay. Coordinate connectors and but or so yet. SB she louded coordinate connector, but she wanted to cry.
Yeah, that's right, my friend. Let me help you. Let me explain you this. Okay, we have these coordinate connectors and, but, or, so, yet, as you say. That's right, Emilio. But in this case, we have two sentences in the same line. Okay, she laughed, but she wanted to cry. Okay, the first sentence will be she laughed. Okay, this is the subject, she, and the verb laughed. And the other part will be she, the subject wanted the verb, and to cry, you know, this is the word that helps us to coordinate as coordinate connector. But Okay, she laughed, but she wanted to cry. Okay, now I hope we have time. We have only less than 10 minutes to work on this exercise. Okay, let's see. Each of the following sentences contains more than one clause. Underline the subject, once of the verbs, once and the verbs twice. Circle the connectors, then indicate if the sentences are correct, C, or incorrect, I. Okay, and number one, the software should be used on a laptop computer, and this computer is a laptop. Nice, correct, because the connector is and we have the subject software should be used, the verb in this one. This computer is the subject and is the verb. So it is correct. Now we move on for the next one, okay? The rain clouds can be seen in the distance, but no has fallen. In this case, in the first sentence, we find the rain clouds is the subject. Can be seen, the verb, okay? In the other side, we have has fallen. What is missing here? The subject. We have the connector, but we don't have the subject. So that's why we put an A in this case. Incorrect, okay? That's right. Number three. Okay, come on, my friends. I will read it for you. They are trying to sell their house. It has been on the market for 2 months. Subject of the first sentence.
They.
They. And the verb?
Trying.
Are trying. Very good. And the other side, we have it has been on the market for 2 months. The subject will be?
It.
And the verb?
Has been.
Has been on, okay. And what will be the connector?
Or.
Or on?
On.
On. So, no, in this case, on is not connector. Let's see, okay? We have and, but, or, so, yet. So we're missing a connector here. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, number 4. So the quality of the print was not good. I changed it, the typewriter rival. Okay, in this one, so the quality of the print. What will be the subject? The quality of the print. And the verb was. On the second one, we have I as a subject, change it as a verb. So where is the connector?
We don't have one.
Yeah, we don't have one. Even if we read so, here in the coordinated connectors, sorry. So is in the beginning and it is not a connector, you know? So this is the main problem here. Okay, very good. Number 5, the lifeguard will warn you about the riptide, or she may require you to get out of the water. In this case, the first sentence, where do you find the subject?
The lifeguard.
The lifeguard, very good. And the verb?
Will warn you.
Very good. And the second one?
She is the subject.
She is the subject. And then? The verb?
Require.
Okay,
Oh,
so it is correct. Okay, because we have or as connector. Yeah,
yes.
very good. Number 6, who wants to read it? Okay,
You should have finished the work yesterday, yet is not close to being finished today.
okay, correct, incorrect. Tell me. Correct, incorrect? You should have finished the work yesterday, yet it is not close to being finished today. We're missing what?
The subject,
Ah, very good, Emilio, very good. That's right. Okay, we're missing the subject here. Okay, so that's the main problem. Yet, it will be a connector. Yes, but we are missing the subject here. Okay, okay, last one. The phone rang again and again, so the receptionist was not able to get much work done. Correct, incorrect?
correct,
Very
correct.
good, very good, very good, Amir. Okay. Number 8. Why? Okay, let me explain you. The phone, okay, the phone is the subject. Run, the verb. On the next, the receptionist is the subject, was not able, okay, was the verb. In the connector cell, this is the main reason we choose correct. Very good. Now, number 8. The missing wallet was found, but the cash and credit cards had been removed. Correct, incorrect?
Correct.
Correct? Yes, that's right. Very good. The missing wallet, the subject, was found, the verb. On the second part, the cash and the credit will be the subject. Had been the verb removed. And the connector, bought. Nicely done. Very good. Number 9. Or you can drive your car for another 2,000 miles. You can get it fixed. Correct? Incorrect?
Incorrect,
Incorrect. Very good. Why?
because we don't have a connector.
Nice. Nicely done, Emilio. Very good. Okay. And the last one before we go. The chemist was awarded by the Nobel Prize. He flew to Europe to accept it.
Incorrect.
Why?
The connector. We
Yeah.
don't have a connector.
Very good, Emilio. Well done. Okay, this is it because we are running out of time. Okay, I will see you in the next one, my friends. But don't forget to practice the exercises and don't forget to take the TOEFL test. Okay, with Maria Jose. Okay, Maria Jose, and help me. Telling everyone. I will put it on Teams too. Did you learn something new?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Excellent. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye,
teacher.
teacher. Thank you.
Thanks to
Thank
you, my friends.
teacher.
Bye-bye. Good to see you.